Hello everybody, this is going to be a real quick video. I've had a couple people ask me about how I mount my phone on here. Basically, it's a RAM mount. I'll put the links in the description down below. I'm using a swivel adapter and a bar clamp. I like the RAM mount because it's solid. The phone doesn't go anywhere. It gives you a little versatility, left, right, if you're going down the road. So you can aim it. The phone will not fall out. There's an extra little rubber grommet that comes with it that wraps around the bottom of your phone just in case you're not sure about the phone falling off there. I've been using this mount for years. Still grips tight. Basically, you just squeeze to open it and your phone pops out of there. You let go and it grabs it. Just make sure you don't hit your power buttons or your volume buttons. The next thing about it is you can adjust the swivels on it so you can aim it to whichever way you want. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So if I loosen this up a little bit, I can basically move the phone up higher. If I loosen this one here, I can turn the phone out and in. So basically it lets me move it to wherever I need it. So it'll stay out of the way of my instrument panel, or if I'm actually trying to record something on the instrument panel, I can pull it up in front of the instrument panel. It also gives you room for a drink holder still, or whatever else you want to put on there. You can also loosen the bar mount, of course, and adjust it forward, backwards. You can clamp on the left side, right side. And again, they make a couple different mounts. They've got a suction cup mount, so you can mount one up on your windshield. I wouldn't trust my phone on the windshield mount. I don't like my GoPro up there. If I put my GoPro up there, I've always got it secured with something else, tether of some sort, so if it does fall off, it doesn't fall to the ground. And if you start looking at other RAM products, you'll see they make cup holders, drink holders. They make GoPro holders. So you can also use these pieces and parts for many different devices. Again, that's a RAM mount. Basically clamped onto my bars. I'll put a link in the description below to all the pieces that make this part. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't already.